Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's cooking channel. Today we are going to make some chicken stir fry. So I purchased this Deluxe Stir Fry. I'm going to see how that works instead of using fresh vegetables. I also picked up this stir fry seasoning mix. I'm going to try that today. I have my brown rice boiling right now. We're going to need garlic, sesame seed oil. I'm going to use some ginger, chicken broth. You can use water, it's optional. And of course our soy sauce. So, without further ado, let's get this party started. Okay, so I purchased chicken breast that's already pre-sliced. So, I'm going to use this pan. If I had a wok, I would do everything in just the same wok. But unfortunately, I'm going to have to switch up on these pans because I don't think my vegetables will work in here. So I'm going to use some oil, just a tad bit. Shake this around a little bit. This is a non-stick pan, so it shouldn't be anything major sticking there. Then I'm going to go ahead, let the oil get hot, which I should have been doing, but I wasn't thinking ahead of time. I'm going to put that on medium. Turn it on number 5 according to my stove. We don't have to cook it on low. Won't take about 3 or 4 minutes on each side for the chicken to get done. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I am. Had some storms come through, but still turned out to be a beautiful day. The rice is almost done. Okay, so the grease is hot. Let's go ahead and lay these pieces in there. Get them fried up. I'm going to season with some salt and pepper. It smells good. Just with the salt and pepper. So now I'm just going to take the chicken out, set it aside, and do the next batch. We got a little water on it so the grease is popping. Now we have about 1.25 pounds of chicken. We're going to do the same, season it, salt and pepper. Don't overdo it. Just want to give the chicken some flavor though. You know I love my pepper, so. Flip it. Gonna take this out, set it aside with the others. Gonna add some more oil. I'm gonna keep that chicken flavor in there. Now we're going to stir in our vegetables. And we just want our vegetables to get soft. I turned the fire down, so give it a moment and we will start this process of having soft vegetables, and then we're going to set this aside. Now, while that's stir frying, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to the chicken. So you could leave these chicken strips whole. I'm going to actually cut them up as such. And you can come up smaller if you want, bite size, but you don't want it too small. About like that, okay? Now I just took these off out of the frying pan, so it's hot. Probably need to sharpen this knife, I don't use too often. Stir the vegetables over here. We don't want them too mushy. We still want that crunchiness. It'll take about 5 to 7 minutes for the vegetables to get done. As you see, there's going to be plenty of chicken. Got everything cut up. You want a bite? Want a bite? let's get back on the other burner. Now, I don't know if I was recording or not, but when I remove the vegetables, but what I have in here is 2 cups of chicken broth. And before I added that, I had some brown sugar, ginger, and garlic sauteing. Then I added, like I said, the brown sugar and some flour just to thicken it up. I apologize if I didn't get that last part. I'm actually making my own sauce. I don't think I will use that stir fry packet. I don't think I'm going to use this because I don't want to over season it. And with the soy sauce, flour, ginger, sesame seed oil, and brown sugar, and a little bit of flour and garlic, I think this is perfect. And all I'm doing right now is getting those flour out of it to smoothen it all the way out before I add the vegetables and the chicken back into this dish. I am so sorry if you wasn't able to see the beginning of me putting all these ingredients together. I did taste it and it is good. Now it is thickening up. If you don't want it super thick, you can add some more water or some more chicken broth. It's really up to you. I'm just draining the little bit that I had in the box. And I think I will add just a tad bit of water. Maybe a 1/4 of a cup. Let's sample this. Oh, it smells good. That's perfect, y'all. Now that's perfect. Yes, indeedy. I kid you not. I wish you could taste it. I'm going to add in the chicken. Yes, this is going to be delicious. Let that chicken get all seasoned up in there. Yes, this is going to be delicious, y'all. Look at that. Now we are ready for our vegetables. Doesn't that turn out beautiful? I mean, isn't that beautiful? Nice texture. I'm glad it fit in this frying pan. I was shocked. I thought I'd have to get a larger pan, but this works out perfectly. I do have the temperature on low because we no longer need to cook this. We're just blending it all together. Was that enough sauce or not? Look at that, y'all. Look at that stir fry. That deluxe chicken stir fry. Let's bring the chicken from the bottom up to the top. Mix this very well. And we are ready to plate it up. The rice is done. I use brown rice, like I said. Traditionally, it's white rice, but brown rice is a little healthier, so that's what we're doing tonight. I'll be back in 1 second. So let's plate up our stir fry. Yum, yum. I cannot wait to try it. like to start off with the rice on the side, just so it can look pretty. And then we are going to place the vegetables on this side. How y'all like that plate? I think I put my foot in it. Look at that. Does that not look delicious? Doesn't that look delicious? Who's coming over for dinner? Yeah, I know I got plenty. Who's coming over for dinner? Yeah, I know I appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule to watch this video on the Deluxe Chicken Stir Fry. Now, I actually had to change plates and give him the one I had. So I'm gonna get me some orange stir fry topping here. Of course, you don't have to use this, but I like to top mine with some orange sauce. Or you can use soy sauce if you want more soy sauce. Just like to give it that kick. Yeah, I know I'll probably add more pepper in here too. I'm on the opposite side of the camera, so. Oh, look at that. Look at that meat. Okay. Y'all have a bite? Yeah? How does that look? Oh, yum, yum. Y'all know. I had to come on this side. Y'all, this is so delicious. I know I've been cooking a lot of pork. We eating healthy this week. The vegetables are still crunchy. The chicken strips came out perfectly. Oh, just a little bit of salt and pepper and all of the ingredients. That aroma smells so delicious, y'all. Whew. If you're in the neighborhood, don't forget to stop by. If you haven't done so already, please like the video, share it with your friends and family, leave your comment below, hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next upload. So until then, God bless you. I hope you try this recipe, y'all. It's good. It feels like you're eating at a Chinese restaurant. I kid you not. Look at that. Look at all the vegetables. It's called Deluxe for a reason. I must say I put my foot in it.